In the driver's seat, Uber versus Lyft, which is the better side hustle? Welcome to In the Driver's Seat, where we compare two of the biggest players in the ride-hailing industry, Uber and Lyft. Today, we'll dive into the world of side hustles, exploring which platform offers a more lucrative and rewarding experience for drivers. Strap in, buckle up, and let's hit the road. Market share and customer base. When it comes to market share, Uber takes the lead, boasting a larger customer base than Lyft. With more riders comes more earning opportunities for drivers. Studies have shown that Uber's expansive reach can result in higher earnings for drivers in certain markets. Ride options and additional services. One advantage that sets Uber apart is its diverse range of ride options. From budget-friendly UberX to luxury Uber Black and even food delivery through Uber Eats, Uber provides multiple avenues for drivers to maximize their earnings. This variety gives drivers more flexibility and potential for increased income. Rewards and incentives. Uber's extensive rewards program for drivers offers exciting incentives such as weekly ride challenges and surge bonuses. While Lyft also provides driver rewards and weekly ride challenges, Uber takes the lead with a more comprehensive program, offering a plethora of opportunities for drivers to earn extra income. Service fees and earnings. It's important to consider service fees when assessing earning potential. Uber has been criticized for charging higher service fees than Lyft, resulting in drivers earning a lower percentage of each fare. On the other hand, Lyft's lower service fees allow drivers to retain a higher portion of their earnings. Driver eligibility and ratings threshold. Uber's stringent requirements for vehicles and driver eligibility make it more challenging for some drivers to qualify. Additionally, Uber has a lower rating threshold for driver deactivation. This means Uber drivers face the risk of deactivation if their rating falls too low. In contrast, Lyft has more lenient eligibility criteria and a higher threshold for driver deactivation, providing drivers with more leeway. Conclusion. While both Uber and Lyft offer opportunities for drivers to earn a side income, it's clear that Uber takes the lead in several key areas. Its larger market share, extensive rewards program, and diverse ride options provide drivers with greater earning potential. However, it's essential to consider individual preferences and needs when choosing the platform that suits you best. Remember, whether you choose Uber or Lyft, being in the driver's seat of a side hustle can be a rewarding journey. So buckle up, hit the road, and enjoy the ride. If you like our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Smile.